Japanese alphabet. Hiragana. Let's learn with me. Let's read together. Ya, ya, yu, yu, yo, yo. Let's writing practice together. Let's read together. Ya, ya, yu, yu, yo, yo. Did you remember? What is this? Yoru, yoru, night. This, yama, yama, mountain. What about this? Yuki, yuki, snow. A test. Read down here. Tsuyoi. Which one is tsu? Oh no. Which one is yo? Number 1 or number 2? The answer is number 2. Yo. Tsuyoi. Strong.